Will this Irish recipe make your friends green with envy? I wish all cats could be like you.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Ooh. Handsome cat. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Irish hand pies. Pies for the hands. Weird. Welcome back. Let's give it a pie. Let's prepare our vegetables. Vegetables. Oh God, no. Son of a... You guys are turning me on. Onion. No one's turning you on. Onion ASMR. Whoop. Give your onions an Andrew Dice Clay. Dice your onions. Oh, 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 oh. Dice, dice, baby. Blum, 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 blum. I'm not crying, you're crying. Dice guys finish last. Get a couple carrots. No more carrot skin for you. Carrots, 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 carrots. Long John Johnson. Hey, no more tips for you. Degrade your carrots. You suck, carrot. I'm gonna use 3 small carrots, average sized carrots here. I'm a cat-rat.
Long John Johnson.
You put up with so much. Focus.
Yeah, look at you.
What's the Undertaker's favorite vegetable? Celery. That's how you do it. Dice your celery and focus. Why do people say that celery's creepy? Because it stalks everyone. Yep. Veggie tables completed. Little gloogles of olive oil first. Ah! Let's get those onions translucent. Little pinchies of gochugaru. Is there anything better than sauteed onions? Yes. All the pretty girls like onions. Yuns, yun. Now add in that celery. Celery. Now add the carrots. All the pretty girls like carrots. Transfer this to a plate. Do you guys want to know what the secret ingredient is to a good Irish hand pie? Irish hand meat. I'm kidding, it's ground beef. I'm gonna use like half a kilo of ground beef. All the pretty girls like ground beef. Beef. Brown that meat. That's some good hand meat. Why were the cannibals' kids disappointed during the holidays? Because all they got were hand meat downs. Now stir in your veggie mixtures. Now for the fun part. Woo! It's true what they say about me. I'm stout of my mind. Add a little Guinness to deglaze everything. Ooh, you smell good. A little bit of Worcestershire and some sauce. And do a few pinches of salt, little crunchy runchies, and a pinch of MSG, because that's what I want to do. A little garlic powder just for a little, hey, Guinness. Guinness, more like Guinness. Taste it for seasonings. A little bit hot. Hot, it's so hot, it's so good, it's so hot. And a little bit of heartbeat hot sauce just to give it a little bit of kick.
That smells amazing.
If you want this hot sauce, look in my bio. It's there. You can make your own dough here, but I didn't want to. Because I'm lazy. A lazy badada. Dough or dough not. There is no try. Whoop. Ooh. 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 Whoop. I'm parched. I meant, you will be my hand puppets. Ba, 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 ba. Who's the cheesiest Disney villain? Mozzarella DeVille. Doesn't even work. Cut yourself little cheese cubes. You are not handsome. Who's the best pastry chef in the Star Wars universe? Lando Calrissian. Now stuff these bad boys up. And a little. Just close it up as best you can. Doesn't have to be perfect, you just gotta do your best. Yeah. Well, we got this giant one we're obviously gonna make. That one's gonna be a bit silly, but it's okay, because silly things are fun too. Now hit these with a little bit of egg wash, egg bath and beyond. And a little finishing salt on top, just to say hi. Now put these in a 400-degree oven for like 20, 25 minutes. Let's make a St. Patrick's Day cocktail. Cocktail time. I'm gonna make a Dublin minstrel.
Oh, you thought you were gonna get away from me, but you didn't.
3/4 ounce of lime juice, 3/4 ounce of green chartreuse, 3/4 ounces of Luxardo, 1 ounce of Irish whiskey. Ice, ice, baby. Hello. Chilled glass, because we're all chill here. Fine strain, and then garnish with 1 lonely tear. No, I'm kidding. Dublin minstrel. Happy St. Paddy's.
I want you inside me. Can I get a kiss?
Pull out your peas. Ah! And now let them cool for 18 years. And this is what you get. Let's taste them. Oh, okay. So good. Oh, it's so good. I wish you could try this. Do what I want. Come on. Open. Bye, friends.